Welcome back to the Crypto Nest. So today we're having a very nice green day. Now let's dig into Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, now I pull out the monthly chart. As you can see, we had a lot of volatility, we had a lot of red, and now finally, if we continue like this, we're going to have our second green candle. Let's not forget though that this was the wave 1 and we did an A, a B, and this is the C. And then we're not sure if if this was the 3 was here and this was the 4th and this little leg was the 5th, or this was still the 3, but all we're doing now, it could be potentially a 4, and a wave 4 can still go higher. It can go up to 33,000 before being invalidated. So if we reach a level, the price of Bitcoin higher than 33,000 is going to start to be unlikely that this is going to be a wave 4. But if we reach 29,000, well, still it doesn't validate that option. So we need to be careful. Okay, so let me pull out now the indicators. We can see that maybe we're having bullish divergence on the RSI. Let me delete that line. And then also, in the MACD, we're getting regaining some levels. So we're having shorter weeks, and then it's getting red light, or light red, sorry. So maybe in 2, 3, 4 months we're going to make as well a bullish divergence, already starting, but officially, and go back into the green area. That would be very, very positive. Alright, so now let me go on the weekly now. So we can see that on the weekly we can also draw some trend lines, and then we can see that here this one really hold well as a support. So now if in the case we are going to lose this, because eventually this is a wave 1, so we're going to make a wave 2, right? So this trend line, it should hold us from reaching lower prices if we're not making a wave 4. So we're going to have a strong support around 19,200, and depending on when we're going to start to go down, maybe, ideally we would have this price going down exactly here. So we are going to have the uptrend line and this 19,200 as a support. So we're going to have a very steady support. Also, we can see the RSI. It's it's flying, and we're having a 56.8 up to now. So that's great also. And the MACD as well, we're in positive level. So that's encouraging as well. Now, if I go to the daily chart, we can still see that. Let me see zoom in a little bit, the MACD. We can have actually a bullish divergence in the MACD, and also we can start to see one in the RSI, so that's encouraging. So I'm really hoping for higher prices, so we can finally do this fifth wave, and then we can get over it and maybe take more profits and wait for this wave 2 and see what happens. Also, we can draw some trend lines here, as you can see, and then we're forming an ascending triangle, which is bearish eventually, but it will allow us to reach higher prices. Let's see how far can we go, and then we need to see this upper trend line. As you can see, it holds us and react many times as a resistance. So we'll see how long this trend is going to resist to the price action. Ideally, it would be the best if we are able to break it and maybe reach this level at 29,000. But anyway, we are 23,800 for a moment. Even if we go to 26, 27, I'm not going to complain, okay? And yeah, maybe the 4 hours now, just to have a quick idea. The RSI, still the same actually, and then RSI MACD, it's all positive, So this is all encouraging, I would say. So yeah, there isn't much to add, I guess. The main general analysis, I would say that everything bring me to conclude that we should reach higher prices, but still, since we are near this lower uptrend line that reacted a few times as a support, we want to be aware if we start to touch it, maybe put some alarms or something, so that because if we start to fail, and then if we are going to break this channeling, if you want, then yeah, price will more likely break, and our next support, it's honestly it's going to be this 19,200. So you may want to be aware of our next support, if in the case we're going to break this uptrend. All right, so this is all for today. Have a good week, and then if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you soon.